So guys, in today's video let's have a look on the MI Experience store which was opened in Delhi CP, which means Connaught Place. So first we have MI electric scooter. So this scooter has big advantage, that is it on one charge it can go up to 30 kilometers, and also you can fold this up to carry easily. So it has a headlight and a tail light for night riders. Then we have a Xiaomi smart kettle. By using it you can make tea, coffee or any other beverages. Then we have a smart water purifier made by Xiaomi. Then we have an air purifier which is available in India. Then we have a smart induction cooker, so making rice etc. made easy. Then we have a MI aviator. So these are not normal aviator, these are a polarized one. So benefits of polarized, that it can helps reduce glare and also prevents UV rays. Then we have MI smart luggage. So the smart luggage in these luggage, the smart thing is in these luggage is Bluetooth, so you can track the backpack easily. The Bluetooth coverage area is approx 50 meters, and yeah, these are also made up of hard high quality polycarbonate material. Then we have MI car purifier, and then we have MI's metallic pen in two colors. One is silver and other is golden, or you can say a rose gold. So the pen seems to be very heavy and has good build quality. And now guys, then we have Xiaomi Smart 360 camera. So you can capture 3.5K Ultra HD 360 video with this camera. And yes guys, this also have EIS electronic image stabilization system. Then guys, we have MI VR virtual reality headset, which is already available in India for very cheap price. Then we have MI smart toothbrush. So this thing is very helpful for handicapped people. Then guys, we have MI smart projector. So the smart thing in this projector is that it can project at any surface, literally at any surface, with adjustable size. So guys, this is a laser projector basically, so it can easily project at any plane surface. Then guys, we have MI smart blood pressure monitor. So it automatically detects blood pressure and tells whether it is high or low. Then we have MI weighing machine. So this is available for 1,999 rupees in India, or you can say approx 2000 rupees in India. Then guys, we have another interesting product which is a smart vacuum cleaner. Wow. So basically it will automatically detects the dust and cleans it by itself. So let's try the product. So guys, if we talk about the specifications of this vacuum cleaner, then this product has 5200 mAh battery with laser guidance system. So we'll talk about this in a moment. So it can easily cleans 250 square meters of environment, and it also has anti-collision detection system with anti-falling detection system. So as I have mentioned, it has LDS, which stands for laser distance sensor, which scans its surrounding 360 degree. So guys, it also has smart Wi-Fi feature by which you can control it with your smartphone. So let's watch the proper working of this device. So guys, it also has another cool feature, that it automatically goes to the charging after the work done. So let's see the proper working of this vacuum cleaner. Then guys, we have this cool toy for kids. This is a robot which is made up of 978 blocks. Yes, you heard it right, 978 blocks. So it can be converted into different things. So it automatically balances itself and sends the object which comes in the path of this robot. So as you can see, it is self-balancing, and it can sense the object which comes in the path of the robot. Guys, then we have Xiaomi's hoverboard, which is self-balancing hoverboard. So the made up material is really pretty awesome, guys. Pretty solid thing. So let's go back and see how the vacuum cleaner goes to the charging after the work. So it is sensing that where is the charging port situated, then it goes on that path. Wow, guys, awesome technology. Boom. Now guys, let's come back to the hoverboard. So the build quality is pretty super awesome, guys. So it is a rubber padding, it has a rubber padding to provide super grip, and it weights is approx you can say 15 kgs. So another cool gadget from Xiaomi. So guys, then we have MI Smart LED lamp. So you can connect your phone and controls the brightness of this device directly with your Android device or iOS device. So let's turn it on and see the magic. So this is another cool gadget from Xiaomi. So guys, then we have smart Bluetooth speaker with LED lamp. So it has touch sensitive control to increase or decrease the volume of the music, and you can also put it as a lamp in your bedroom. So you can also use this thing as a decorative item in your house. Then we have MI U neck pillow, a lifesaver for travelers. So it has a soft cushioning inside which provides better relaxation to our neck. Then we have MI Smart shoes. So basically it has a step tracker inside the sole of the shoe which gives information of total steps taken and total distance covered. So it comes in two variants, one is black and another is blue. Then we have MI Guitar. Yes guys, MI Guitar, and the smaller version of a Bluetooth speaker. So this is a smart guitar, which means it can connect with your phone, and yes, you can record, learn how to play guitar, or the play feature. There is a play feature which plays the music in the guitar, and many more functions available on the phone app. So must try this gadget, guys. Then guys, we have some of the MI's laptop. So before going that part, let's try this guitar. Oh sorry, I don't know how to play this. So guys, then let's go to some of the laptops launched by MI. So these has ultra light thin body. Yes, you heard it right, ultra light thin body, and it has 6th generation i5 Intel Core processor. So guys, it has dedicated NVIDIA GeForce 940MX graphics card with 9.5 hours of battery life in the 12.5 inch variant, and in the 13.5 inch variant, you can get 11.5 hours or approx 12 hours of battery life. So guys, the 13.5 inch variant has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD. So the RAM is of DDR4. So guys, it has a full HD laptop, means it has 1920 by 1080 pixels of display. It also has USB Type-C port. Yes, you heard it right. It has USB Type-C port which can be used for charging, data syncing or video output. It also supports Dolby sound system. So its total weight is approx 1.07 kgs. So both has Windows 10 pre-installed and comes in two variants, as I have said. One is 12.5 inches which has 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of SSD, and another is 13.3 inches which has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD. Then guys, at the lower section of the store we have those products which are already available in India, like VR headsets, selfie sticks, USB Type-C cables, some cases for phones, some power banks, both 10K or 20K mAh variants. So then we have some backpacks for traveling. Yes, you heard it right, Xiaomi also launches backpacks for traveling. So these are also smart backpacks, which means you can track their location by Bluetooth. Guys, the material is pretty super awesome and it is available for only 1200 to 1500 rupees in India. So guys, then at another section of the store we have some MI earphones. Let me show you. So these are some of the MI earphones, all the basic variants, basic, pro, HD, headset, etc. Then we have some MI smart bands, card charger, Wi-Fi repeater 2, etc. Many products. Then we have MI 3C router. Soon you will get an unboxing and review on this channel of this product. So do subscribe this channel and press on that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload this unboxing and review of this MI 3C router. Then guys, we have TVs launched by Xiaomi. So all the variants, 32 inch, 55 inch, 43 inch, etc. Unboxing and review of MI 4A is already available on this channel, so you can watch that video. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you really liked this video. If you liked, then don't hesitate to hit that like button, and yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you will be notified each and every time whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys, and bye bye.